Listen to me carefully. Are you still doing boring manual Excel work? You're wasting time. Let me show you 5 powerful Excel tricks that'll make your team think you've got an AI co-pilot. These are the same hacks that help thousands work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Ready? Let's master Excel like never before. Let's start with the first one, instant country flags. Instead of adding flags one by one, just select your country names, then head to Data. Choose the drop-down and click Geography. Now hit the little image icon and boom, you get instant flags. Want to level it up? Right-click and add columns for population, capital, even GDP. Your report goes from basic to boardroom ready in 30 seconds. While others waste time dragging images, you're working like a pro. Tip 2. Dynamic progress bars. Most people use boring conditional formatting. You'll use a formula. Say this equals REPT. Open quote, block, close quote, a 2 times 10. Now change the font to Playbill. Drag it down your column. And just like that, your boring percentages turn into sleek live bars. Want a twist? Use different symbols like shaded blocks. Your manager will think you've hired a designer. Here's tip number 3, the smart to-do system. No more sticky notes everywhere. Here's how you stay on top of tasks. Step 1, press Alt and say B to insert checkboxes. Step 2, use this formula. Count it from B2 to B10, then divide by counter in the same range. Step 3, set conditional formatting. When you hit 80%, the cell lights up green. Then tick tasks one by one and watch your progress bar come alive. It's not just a to-do list. It's a live productivity dashboard. Now for tip 4, auto-updating inventory. Still scrolling through stock lists manually? Let Excel do it for you. To show only items in stock, filter rows where quantity is greater than 0. Need to see what's out of stock. Filter for quantity equals 0. And the best part, change a value in your main list and the filtered view updates instantly. Want to go beast mode? Set up low stock alerts for anything below 5 units. That's smart inventory. That's Amazon level stuff. Finally, tip number 5, instant text transformation. Messy text gone. Use equals upper to make everything bold and loud. Lower for simple and clean. Proper for polished title case. And here's the secret sauce, Buck. Wrap it in trim to clean up any extra spaces. Your data, instantly presentation ready. Here's the difference between regular users and Excel masters. Masters automate the boring stuff so they can focus on strategy, while others are copying and pasting. You're already 3 steps ahead. No more boring spreadsheets, no more manual errors. You've just unlocked Excel's smartest moves. Bonus tip, press Ctrl+Shift+L for instant filters. So that's it for this video. Hope you have learned something new. But wait, one last thing. Remember to hit subscribe for Excel hacks. Comment Excel Master below and I'll see you in the next one.